Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itong reading na to is about your future self. So this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Aquarius. Tingnan muna natin kung anong timeline nitong future self ninyo. What is the timeline? 1 year from now. Ayan. So, yan yung timeline nyo. 1 year from now. From the time na mapanood mo yung reading na to. And then, let's get some runes. 1 year from now for Aquarius. What is the energy? You have Canas. You have Ihwas. And then Manas. Okay, so Canas is about creativity. So maaring you will tap into your creative side. Meron kang, there's like a fire in you na, kumbaga you want to explore new things. Mas passionate ka, maaring meron kang creative passion na or passion project na gagawin. This is also about growth. So whatever you are doing right now, 1 year from now, may growth, may pag-unlad yan. You also have Ihwas. This is rebirth, endings, and patience. So, maaring mayroong transformation sa'yo, like a major shift in your life. Merong mag-e-end and there is something that is going to start. So, pwedeng yun nga, no? Dahil meron ka ipupursue na creative project mo, 1 year from now, you may be leaving a situation na you feel na yan yung lilimit sa'yo para ma-explore mo pa yung ibang gusto mong gawin. You also have Manas, which is about yourself, self-awareness. So, mas aware ka talaga sa sarili mo. Hindi mo na parang masyadong iniisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao tungkol sa'yo. Mas focus ka sa kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, hindi yung sinasabi ng iba na dapat mong i-pursue. You are also more connected rin sa community. So, maaring you will be part of a group or a community 1 year from now na supportive sa gusto mo or meron kayong parehong interest. Okay, let's see what else. Aquarius future self. For Aquarius. You have the Queen of Cups, the Four of Swords. So, like what I mentioned kanina, yung creativity na yan, this is the energy of Queen of Cups. I also see you na mas maraming rest. Mas maraming pahinga 1 year from now. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, since you will be focusing on yourself 1 year from now, mas gusto mo ngayon na meron kang katahimikan ng isip at this is also about recovery. So, kung kayo ay nagkasakit ng mga nakaraan, gusto mong makarecover, yung maibalik mo yung lakas ng pangangatawan mo. Also, meron ditong justice card. So, this is about karma. Ito yung getting what you really deserve. So, I think 1 year from now, ano man yung ine-effortan mo, binibigyan mo ng attention, ng focus, makukuha mo yung deserve mo for that. Maaring meron ka ring major decisions 1 year from now doon sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi na nagwo-work for you kasi pwedeng meron ka ipinipilit na ito, gagawin ko to, pero kahit anong pilit mo, wala nangyayari. So, maaring yan yung isa sa awakening mo. You are realizing na, teka, maybe this is a sign ng universe, no, na magbago ka na ng direction. Let's see what else. You have OC. You have the Ace of Wands. This is a new beginning. Exciting new beginning. For you, yung iba mag-aaral or yung iba ipupurso ninyo yung inyong passion. Maaring ang isa sa passion ninyo is about arts, about expression, writing. You also have the Moon. The Moon is your emotions, your feelings, your instinct, your intuition, mararamdaman mo, no, kung ito bang simula na to ay gagawin mo na. Kasi minsan, merong ano yan parang, meron ka mararamdaman na sudden, it's like euphoria or parang merong push sa'yo na, ito, subukan mo, gawin mo na to. Merong mga tao kasi na will try to bring you down or will try na susubukan nilang discourage ka. So, syempre, pag nadi-discourage ka, nawawalan ka na ng lakas ng loob na subukan yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. So, wag mong hayaan yon na mangyari kasi at the end of the day, ikaw yung dapat may control sa buhay mo. Although may mga tao man na nakaka-impluwensya sa'yo, pero ikaw pa rin yung may discernment, ikaw pa rin yung may judgment. You have the Three of Cups, which is about celebration. So, maaring major celebration na gagawin mo sa mga bagay na nasimulan mo. Can be, may mga milestone ka kasing marireach dito may maabot ka ng mga goals mo. And the Three of Cups is also about reunion. So, maaring merong important reunion with family, with friends sa loob ng isang taon or 1 year from now. Okay? So, let's see what other messages we have here for you. TikTok. Magiging ka rin sa pagdating sa oras, panahon, maaring magiging mabilis lang yung pagdaan ng isang taon sa'yo and hindi mo alam na, ito na pala, tapos na pala yung isang taon. Some of you may travel opportunities pwede sa ibang bansa or meron kang ipupursue na career na may kinalaman sa travel or pagiging seafarer, seaman, seawoman. You have this very strong instinct and intuition na alam mo which direction you have to take. Like, you have that deep knowing. Some of you, maaring you are going through a major spiritual awakening na kung saan may mga magbabago sa pananaw mo sa buhay, yung iyong mga belief system. You may be questioning yung mga dati mong nakasanayan or tradisyon sa family ninyo ng mga pinasa-pasa na paniniwala. So, you may be questioning that as well. Magiging aware ka rin sa oras mo, kung paano mo gagamitin yung oras mo. You are going to be parang you will value your time. Okay? Kung saan mo gagamitin yung oras at panahon mo. You have the Mars in Aquarius in the 11th house. Mars is about aggression. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng issue or pwedeng away, misunderstanding sa isang kaibigan 1 year from now. You also have Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Yeah, I see travel sa inyo. Long distance travel to or maaaring meron mag-open na opportunity sa iyo na career or business sa ibang bansa. Yung iba sa inyo meron ding pag-aaral. So, pwedeng mag-a-apply kayo like a tourist visa or a student visa. Tapos, eventually, dun ka na rin mag-work kung saan mang bansa yon. Also, meron kang talent sa yung pagdating sa mga technology, no? Or andyan yung abilities mo. Maaring ikaw ay magiging part ng isang company which is into tech. Pwedeng cellphones, cars, pwedeng sa manufacturing. Yeah, major decision. Pero sabi rito, no, sometimes the best decision is no decision at all. So, kung hindi ka pa sigurado sa isang desisyon na gagawin mo, wag mo ipilit. Kasi, syempre, kung may pressure sa paligid mo, tas may nadali mo, and then eventually, ikaw rin yung mamumroblema, diba? So, you have to make sure when you make a decision, you take responsibility kung ano man yung magiging resulta ng decision mo. See, may move. Iba sa inyo, lilipat ng bahay, lilipat ng trabaho. 1 year from now. A long walk is good for the soul. Get outside and allow Mother Nature to lift your spirits. Some of you, mas madalas kayong magbibigay ng time sa labas. Sa labas. Maaring you will enjoy nature, going for a walk, hiking, walking, jogging, yan, sa isang place like parang park, maraming puno. This is going to help you balance your energies. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.